All right. It's our last one, isn't it, Grandma?
It is.
It's our last.
I can't believe how fast the season has gone.
I know. So today is the last Cooking with Grandma Tanner for 2025. She'll be back next year, 2026. But she is making Harvest Time Pumpkin and Butternut Squash Bake. And I did post it on our Facebook page. And after the video, I will try to post it in the comments, the recipe. So go ahead, Grandma.
Okay, we're going to use butternut squash today. And what I did, I cut off the end. And then I pierced it quite a few places.
You cut the end off like that.
Yeah, I cut that. And put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. Because it's so much easier. It's still...
Could have probably put it in for a little bit longer.
Yeah, I probably could. But it makes it a lot easier to cut. Especially for us older people. But anyway, this squash over here is butternut. And so earlier today, I cut it in slices like that. Put it in the oven at 350 for almost 2 hours. Or an hour and a half. So,
I can tell you that squash is really good just like that.
Oh, it is. And you know, squash is so healthy for you instead of potatoes. Mm-hmm. It's a vegetable, but it replaces the potatoes. So, since we're...
So how much squash is that?
This is 1.5 quarts.
Okay.
It's 6 cups. And I'm going to put a 15-ounce pumpkin in this, just to give it a little pumpkin flavor for the Thanksgiving holiday. I think I'm going to take this down to our son always has Thanksgiving. Mm-hmm. Because we don't have to work that day.
Yeah, we all get out of town.
We just get out of town, that's right. So... we'll just blend this all in. I have this old-fashioned potato masher here, and it works real good to blend this. Or you can use a mixer also. So we got that all mixed up. And then we add to this milk. See, 3/4 cup milk. Pour that in there. And then 3 eggs. My chickens are still laying smaller eggs.
Yeah, we had those. Me and Brenda and Isaiah cooked some for breakfast sandwiches. Those shells are tough.
They are tough, and I haven't... I mean, it must be the feed on them. So we'll use 4 eggs.
Oops.
Missed that. Beat them up real good with the milk. And then you can add the sugar, 3/4 cup sugar, and beat that up real good.
What was that?
This sweetens it up a little bit, and the eggs makes your casserole a little thicker. And then I have 3 tablespoons of flour, but I'm going to put the spices in with that flour so that they don't clump. If you mix them in with something else beside Okay, it's a teaspoon. Let's see, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves. I don't have an 1/8, so I'll just do a little bit there. Cloves are pretty strong sometimes. And then 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Nutmeg is always good in a like a pie or something like that. A pumpkin pie. A lot of times they use that. So I'll just mix this up a little bit. Then when you put this all together, then your spices will blend a little better. And I also need a half a teaspoon of salt, so I'll put that in there now. Maybe.
Jeez Louise, who put
Oh,
those
we got
on?
that thing on there. Right. Okay, half a teaspoon of salt. We'll just sprinkle that on there.
No mixer.
So it's getting a little creamier looking.
And your spatula.
Yeah, I need that spatula. A little better. And then we put in the butter, which is 6 tablespoons of melted butter. And the vanilla. I think it is
Half a teaspoon.
half a teaspoon of vanilla. And this is our really good vanilla. People come and buy this. It is such a good brand. Blend that all real good, and it's just kind of creamy looking. Then we add this mixture to the pumpkin and squash mixture. So we'll just pour that in there, and we mix that real good. This is what'll thicken all that up when you put it in your casserole dish.
So,
I might need that thing.
yeah, that's what the... Yeah, if you had a mixer.
Probably should have got the mixer out. This thing here mixes really good. Just so you get it all blended real good before you put it in your casserole dish. Get those eggs and all those spices blended all around there. Then after this, you bake this covered, and Then the last 15, you put it at 350 for about 45-50 minutes. Not sure what it says on there, but
Cover and bake at 350 for 45 minutes. And then you do the toppings and uncover it for 15.
yeah. So I'll show you how we do the toppings here in a bit. So I got my casserole dish all ready, and I sprayed it with some ham. It's a beautiful color. Just kind of level it off a little bit. Since this casserole doesn't have a cover to it, I'll just lay a little piece of foil over that. And that's it.
All right.
It's a very attractive
You already
piece.
cut foil? Yeah.
I got a little piece of foil here. And my oven is ready. So we'll do this for about 40 or 35 minutes.
45.
Well, yeah. Now the topping is, I have crushed about 15 or 16 vanilla wafers.
Almost like a dessert.
Yeah. So it's a half a cup of brown, or a fourth of a cup of brown sugar.
You should rinse it off. I guess you're cooking it anyways.
Give it a little whisk in the water.
There you go.
Stir that up real good.
Brown sugar and butter.
Brown sugar and butter, and then you put these crumbs in here. I have never, I can see instead of using cracker crumbs, sometimes like on potatoes or vegetable, I just use rich crackers or something and put them in a little butter, crush them up. But this is more sweet. So when that casserole gets just about done, then you take this and just crumble them up off at the top. It's pretty good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So I made one this morning. Get this right here. Probably what takes you the longest here is cooking the squash ahead of time. But you know what? You could make that ahead of time and cook your squash the day before.
Oh, yeah.
And then have it in the fridge and it'd be all ready. Now this is what I made.
It's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a spoon.
It is delicious.
Try that one out.
Yeah.
Are you not going to try
It's
it?
probably still warm. I made it earlier. Mmm. Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm.
With that
Pumpkin. It's almost
Pumpkin.
like a pumpkin.
So the employees will be in here gobbling this
Oh,
up
yeah, that's
in a
really
little
good.
while.
So
And I just think it's a nice dish for the
It's sweet.
Thanksgiving and Christmas.
I think you could probably put crackers on it.
Yeah.
Not as sweet. I don't know.
Yeah, because it's got the brown sugar, so it really makes it sweet. So, or you can use a little less brown sugar.
That was good.
Very good.
That was Harvest Time Pumpkin and Butternut Squash Bake. And I'll post the recipe in the picture or in the comments too. But it is on our page. So we're about done. I got my countdown on my phone, which I can't look at right now. But this morning it was 9 days. But we're only going to be open what? We got
Monday through Friday. Monday through Saturday.
So we got Friday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. That's 5 days. And then Friday, Saturday. So we're down to 7 days.
Yeah.
So you got a week to visit us.
All of our squash is buy one, get one. And these are $2.99. But, I mean, there was one lady, I went and got her some great big ones. And $1.50 each, and all the squash are that, and then the gourds, and if you want to decorate, and the little mini pumpkins.
Yep. So
are all very nice.
Right now we got our stock up for winter sale, and our apples are on sale, cider's on sale. So we have a lot of sales. If you bring in food pantry items, you get non-food, non-sale items 30% off. So, and
any
then,
of our gifts are, we have pretty many nice Christmas things left.
Yep, we sure do. And then Saturday is our Santa breakfast. If you have not gotten tickets for that, get them now, because I think we quit selling them sometime tomorrow afternoon. So we make sure we have all that we need.
And Mr. and Mrs. Santa Claus are going to be here, and we have an antique sleigh.
They get the picture.
And it's a great picture.
And Santa comes to your table and visits with your kids, you and your kids. So it'll be a fun time. Everybody enjoys it. But, well, so that's it on today's episode, our last one. Thanks, everyone, for watching all season. You can go to our YouTube channel, or whatever they're called. I don't even know. And see all Grandma Tanner's cooking on there, too. So we wish you guys, hope you have a happy Thanksgiving, and Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year, and we will see you next year. So thanks a lot.